Alright, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the League of Legends unknown player issue. If you've experienced this error, it's really easy and simple to actually fix it. So usually this error happens due to connectivity issues, which basically hinders the client from loading the interface correctly, right? So if you've actually come across this issue, guys, while launching the League of Legends client, then there are actually several simple solutions that you can try. So what you can do, guys, is you can try fixing it by what you need to do, just go to your Wi-Fi router, okay? You want to reset your modem. Like, you just power it off for like 10 seconds and then you want to power it back on. See if that fixes it, okay? Additionally, what you can do is unplug and plug in back your router after like about 10 seconds. Okay, you can also do this. You can restart your computer and just proceed to launch the game again and see if their problem still persists. And if the error still persists, guys, you can consider resolving it by flushing your DNS cache or just adjusting your DNS server settings to the alternate settings, guys. Okay, so how do you actually flush your DNS cache? You want to do so on your desktop. You want to actually press the Windows key right here and press CMD. Okay, press the Windows key on your keyboard and press CMD, and then you just want to type ipconfig slash flush DNS in the command prompt and just press enter or return key on your keyboard. Then, guys, you just want to close the command prompt. So it's going to run a command, and then you're just going to close the command prompt and attempt to make a connection. So literally that is simple. So at least one of these, uh, ways to fix this diag troubleshooting will actually help you. And if this does, guys, make sure you hit that like button. Comment down below which one actually worked for you. And until next time, guys,